Alright, today I'm going to show you how I simply make a seed and cutting mix. It seems like I've just never really been able to find anything that works well and has a nice consistency that I think is really appropriate for seeds and cuttings. But I think I might have found one. It's just this simple Fertiloom seed and cutting mix. I'm going to show you what I do and what I mix in with it and some amendments such as worm castings, just this Uprising Grow, kelp meal, finely ground, and some alfalfa meal. And I'm going to mix all that stuff in, we'll let it cook for a couple weeks, and we'll finally make ourselves some really, really awesome, just simple seed and cutting mix. So. What I have here is just this, this is just a plastic tray that I have set out, and then I have some just 1/4-inch hardware cloth on it. And first thing I'm going to do, and what that's going to do is just kind of filter out, take this bag of seed and cutting mix, and just kind of filter out any giant particles. I think in another video I'm going to make like a little wooden frame for it, but right now not super necessary. Pour out some, just kind of work it through, just make sure that there's no big chunks of anything. Ugh. All right, that's done. Okay. Now, I'm gonna come up, take this off, set it aside. I'm going to add this Uprising, a little bit of that. It's got all kinds of good stuff in there. Not too much. Because remember, they're just going to be for little seedlings. I'm also going to add some just simple good old worm castings. Couple handfuls. Just your good old worm castings. And next up, alfalfa meal. Stuff is awesome. If you do add this, make sure whatever you get something that is finely ground. If you like to buy it in feed stores, and you do it that way, a lot of times it comes in pellets, and you'll need to finely grind it. I will leave a link in the description to all these products as I'm using, but however, the seed cutting mix may not be, got a little on me there, completely practical. And I'm also gonna add in some kelp meal. Definitely has lots of micronutrients, some growth stimulants. Norwegian kelp is like one of the fastest growing plants there are. So definitely it's got tons of beneficial stuff in it. I think I'm also gonna add a little bit more. Kind of plow it through it with your hands like so. Mix that up. And that's really all you need. Just put it in, say, like a 5-gallon bucket and just let it sit for a couple weeks, and or maybe like do it in the fall before, you know, and then, you know, before like winter, and you can just put it in, say, like a 5-gallon bucket and just let it sit out all winter, and all of that nutrients will break down in there and just be super readily available. And that is how you do it.